Hi guys, today I wanted to share this tutorial for large-scale vintage style wall art. To make this, I created a poster in Canva and then had it printed as an engineering print at Staples, which I believe was only about $2 for an 18 by 24 inch poster. I had two pieces of by the yard trim cut at Home Depot to about 20 inches, a larger, more decorative one for the top and then a simple one for the bottom. Used these that I already had, but this would also work well, I think, with an affordable acrylic craft paint. Give the poster a vintage look, I used tea staining. Just made a really strong cup of tea with about 4 tea bags. Started with a paper towel, but immediately switched to a microfiber dishcloth because that worked a lot better. Once the trim was dry, I hammered in 2 pieces of velvet ribbon just with thumbtacks. And I tied my bow in the middle. A lot of poster hangers like this will use magnets or clamps so you could switch out the papers, which I love the idea of. But honestly, I just attached the poster with a little bit of hot glue, as I don't plan to change it out regularly. Really love how this project came out. It was affordable and it had the look I was hoping for.